Presenting the art, the color, the heart, the magic and the mission of Mandhana. The Indian textile industry, accounting for 4% of the GDP, 14% of the industrial production, 17% of India's total exports, employing nearly 35 million people and having a direct bearing on the status of the nation's economy. Supported by far-reaching initiatives by the Government of India, expanding domestic markets and reviving US and EU economies, according to CRISIL research, the ready-made garments industry is expected to grow at a compounded annual growth rate of 6.4% to touch 2,209 billion rupees in 2014 from 1,615 billion rupees in 2009. And the vision at Mandhana to be a part of the billion-dollar textile and garment industry at global and domestic level. Starting with its trading operation in 1984 to its successful endeavor as a garment house for the European market in the 90s, to its present status in 2009-2010 of being a vendor to well-known brands of the global fashion and the Indian garment industry. 25 countries, 5 continents, brands and labels that are global players like Tommy Hilfiger, Charles Vogel, French Connection, Rip Curl, All Saints, Valentino, Miss 60, Ben Sherman, Simon, La Fuma, all clients of Mandhana, numbering almost 100. Given their domain expertise in the area of ready-made garments, Mandhana started supplying textile and garments to the Indian market too, with a client roster that includes Pantaloon, Aditya Birla Nuvo, PJL Clothing India Limited, Will's Lifestyle, and other such market leaders of the Indian retail.
At Provoke, we are very happy to be buying out of Mandhana. One of the principal reasons is that it's an integrated factory. We don't have to go and look for solutions into 10 different places. Being on the cutting edge of design, I think one of the most important ingredients for any brand is to get the right inputs in terms of design. Mandhana, with its exposure in India and internationally, provide the cutting edge of design and are surely the best equipped to be able to put the entire package together. And we are very happy to be associated with Mandhana Industries.
At Pepe Jeans, we adhere to the global standards of top quality and innovation, whether it's fabric or garmenting. And Mandhana more than meets those expectations, and we are delighted to work with them.
With more than 700 clients sourcing fabric and garments from Mandhana, it has positioned itself to provide maximum benefits to its customers and retailers via a competent supply chain that encompasses state-of-the-art equipment and technology on par with global competitors. At Tarapur is the yarn dyeing unit, along with 2 weaving divisions and 2 fabric processing centers. Pune and Bangalore houses 4 garment divisions in the premier industrial area that has access to a skilled workforce. These facilities are further enhanced by the support of a stringent quality management system that has an ISO 9001-2000 certificate from the Bureau of Indian Standards, a streamlined production planning team, and a rigorous merchandising division. Be it spring, summer, fall, winter, the changing trends of the apparel trade are tracked at Mandhana's with the presence of an in-house design and development team that provides continuous value addition to clients with customized service and solutions in the design and sampling department.
Product research, design and development has always been an integral part of this organization. Over the years, we have managed an archive of over 100,000 designs in products and 150,000 designs in textiles to offer. We add over 1,000 products every season to our collection.
Focused on generating returns by increasing efficiency, the company has put in place a network of agents and sales officers at Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai and Chennai to sell their fabrics directly and indirectly to buyers and to give them maximum support in terms of quality and timely delivery. The overseas market is given additional ground support from their 10,000 square feet office cum showroom in Paris called Mandhana Europe, effectively uniting its operations from yarn dyeing to garment manufacturing to selling of garments from their sales offices. Mandhana is a vertically integrated force emerging as an end-to-end player in the textile and garment market. The income of the company grew from 24,033.69 lakh rupees in financial year 2007 to 46,325.17 lakh rupees by March 2009, and profit after tax grew from 1,943.10 lakh rupees to 3,647.92 lakh rupees. The sales over the last 3 years have grown at a CAGR of 38.83% and profit at a CAGR of 37.02%.
The ready-made garment industry has shown a tremendous growth over the last decade. We plan to increase our capacities in garment manufacturing from 3.6 million pieces to 8.3 million pieces. Likewise, we also plan to increase our capacities in fabric manufacturing from 18 million meters to 36 million meters per annum. Casual wear still being our strength and focus, we plan to enter the high-end formal wear segment as a potential area for our expansion. We invest in strong and sustainable relationship with our clients worldwide and place particular emphasis on attracting and nurturing the best talent in the industry by employing the right mix of recruitment and retention strategies. Every member of the Mandhana family is important for us and we care.
Ably supporting this vision are the directors of the board, Mr. Sanjay Usher, partner, Messrs. Crawford Bailey and Company.
I have been associated with Mandhana for the last 20 years and I've seen them grow exponentially, and in their growth they follow ethical, absolute business practices.
Mr. Gyanendranath Vajpayee, former chairman, SEBI.
What encouraged me to join the board of Mandhana Industries was the unique combination of matured vision and the youth in the shape of chairman and the managing director. For the last couple of years that I have been on the board of the company, it has been traveling in the path of progress very, very smoothly.
Mr. Khurshid Thanawala, MD, Olicon Textile India Limited.
As a textile professional, I see that Mandhana is correctly concentrating on the end product garment with the appropriate backward integration into weaving and processing, which is the best business model for success.
Every day at Mandhana, 4,473 people continue to work with one vision, one mission.
To be the best,
to be the biggest,
to be the brightest.
Mandhana, a whirlpool of ideas.